Hey everybody, it's Dave from Clean Pro Supply. We're going to talk about priming a pump and a portable extractor. Most portable extractors are going to be very similar. I have two different machines here that I'm going to show you because they are slightly different, but the concept is almost the same. So if you're pulling a machine out of the box and it's brand new and you go to hook up your solution line and you don't get any water and it's just air or nothing at all, or it's making weird noise, or say you're using the machine on a job site and you run out of water. So then what happens is you get an air bubble or an airlock inside your pump or inside your line, and then all of a sudden you go to fill the water back up and you go to pull the trigger next time you use it and it's not working. This is how you correct it. There's a couple different methods you could do. The first is you turn on your machine, it doesn't work, turn it back off. You can take a male quick connect like this guy here, and on your outlet, on your female outlet, you just put that in, and then you turn on your pump and then water will squirt out. The downside is on this machine, it's only 8 inches off the floor, so it's gonna squirt all over the floor. You could put a bucket underneath it to catch the water, or what some people do as well, depending on the machine, is you can get a solution line like this. It's just an open-ended solution line that's cut off. It's just an old hose with a male on the one end. Connect this, and now you have an open-ended hose like this. You turn on your pump, and then you can just stick it into your vacuum inlet so that the water discharges. Now, if you're getting spits and sputters coming out of your line and you just need to clear all the air out of your line, then you can do the same thing. So even if you are getting water, it's just kind of spitting out, then you can do this. Turn on your vacuum, stick this in here, and then get all the air out of the line, turn your pump off, disconnect your line, put your wand back on, you're good to go. On this other machine, it's kind of the same way. You have a male outlet here. The only difference is with this machine, we do have a bypass valve. So if you just have an airlock, the nice thing about this is you don't necessarily need to use this. You could just turn on your pump, open your valve like that. You'll hear the pump make a grumbling noise, and then it'll have a consistent noise. Once it's consistent, close your valve. Now you're gonna have full pressure here. You're ready to go. Also, if you get your machine new out of the box and you go to hook it up and you're not getting any water pressure at all, and you went through all the motions of maybe using a bypass hose in here, putting the hose into here to get the water to cycle through, and you're still not getting pressure, or maybe it's just coming out a little bit, then what might be happening is you actually have your valve open instead of closed. So if you have a Mytee machine or a Breeze machine and you have some water coming out, but it's just very minimal, look at your valve, because in this position, it's actually open. And then in this position, it's actually closed. You do want this closed while you're using your machine. The open position is only for the bypass to prime the pump and to get all the air out of the line. So if that happens, just close it, pull your trigger, and you should be good. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. You can comment on the video below and I can respond to those comments, or shoot us an email at support@cleanprosupply.com, and we're happy to help. Take care.